Wow, I don't know about you, I think that is good looking. That has got a lot of elements of style. I'm in a closeout Lennar community, but here's what I'm excited about. Up at Imagery, the newest 55 plus and the only Charlotte area 55 plus that's got waterfront and water view lots. I mean, it's Mountain Island Lake, baby. That's the lake right between Lake Norman and Lake Wylie. You open up the door and this is called the Elmont. Now, they don't have a model of this, and my folks that are in town for a purchase trip followed me over here to look at one that was about ready to close for Lennar Homes in one of their closeout neighborhoods. This home is available in Imagery and some other places like Summer House, another great neighborhood from Lennar. But if you're in the 55 plus mode, I'm doing you a service now to show you this house, which again, they don't even have a model of. So what does that mean to you? That you can see it right here. Put your hutch up against there. And they built it with the optional sunroom, which I highly recommend. Why? I've got a sunroom addition on the house that my wife built before we met from Toll Brothers. And guess what? I spend most of my time sitting there enjoying the sunroof with Jack, the real estate dog, up on the couch. Look at that island, man. Look at that, people. That's cool. It's almost a conversation piece. Nice corner pantry. So this plan is called the Elmont, and there is a version of it, again with an E on the front. That's how they do it. They're quite alliterative, Lennar. This is the Elmont, and then they've got one called the Empire, which has got the upstairs half a story. So it's a 1.5 story as the Empire, and it's a 1 story as the Elmont. So big, 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 wide open. And the only change would be that on that other plan, that they would have a stairway cut out as well. So you got a nice little narthex coming in to the master, 9-foot ceilings, 6'8" doors. Now up at Imagery, by the way, they've got some new floor plans that you don't have a model to see. I can't get anywhere. They're brand new. They designed them just for Imagery with 10-foot doors and 8-foot ceilings. But this is the product, I believe it's called the Meadows. And so here we go with a transom above that shower, good sized closet. There you go. And we'll come out from there, do a little pivot here and go back. Got a nice bench there. Wow. Now, if you're relocating, like my people today from New York, and you're looking at the 55 plus, I'm definitely your guy. My services to you are free. Oh, by the way, they have partnered with Amazon, and Lennar's homes are basically show houses or showrooms for the Amazon electronic products. So they come with the Alexa stuff and they send out a technician to set it up for you. Very cool, guys. So they have got a serious partnership. Lennar is one of the country's 2 top home builders, and they're partnering with Amazon. So do the math on that. Smart them. Your grandkids will help you after the Amazon guy goes home. Don't worry about it. So here we go. There's a little powder room right there. Good sized little laundry room. Might as well turn on the light here. Yeah, this one's being configured with a sink. Of course, it's optional. And then there's a little powder room right here for your guests. That's cool. Oh man, Lennar seems to really know how to do this. I've sold a number of Lennar homes, and they've got the everything's included little slogan, and really most everything is included. This would be a good office for somebody. And then here's a front bedroom. This could be a guest room, a workout room, or whatever. It's nice that you've got the proximity to the front there, just even for visual. So if your Imagery is hot, folks, they're selling fast, and it's some beautiful products. And so I'd love to help you and be your buyer's agent. 704-345-3400. My services to you are free because the builder, the seller, pays both agents. Remember, this one's configured with that sunroom. I can't wait to talk to you soon. And by the way, if you're on your way down here to visit, give me plenty of notice to get you on the calendar. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification, and let's stay in touch.